Most car products don't work for cars like yours. They leave streaks, swirl marks, and they just don't get the job done the way they're supposed to. And that's why I created Gemstone Labs. Introducing our pink Sapphire, high suds, no wax soap, and Obsidian graphene and ceramic hybrid spray. Let's see what this soap can do. Pink Sapphire. It's a pH neutral, high foaming car soap. Cleans away grease, bugs, oil, and road film from any sort of paint, PPF, ceramic coating, chrome, and glass surfaces. Not only will it clean your surface, but it will enhance your paint's shine and can be used in both foam cannon or bucket applications. This is our Emerald Twisted Loop Ultra-Absorbent Microfiber Drying Towel. This will dry about 2.5 of these CA Corvettes right here. Obsidian graphene and ceramic spray is our 1-year sprayable coating engineered with silicone dioxide, carnauba, and graphene. This spray combines extreme hydrophobic properties with enhanced gloss, UV and water spot protection, as well as minor scratch resistance. So if you're looking for something that's quick and easy and that works, redefine perfection with Gemstone Labs.